Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rukmangada, working from 26 years in SJC Institute of Technology in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Myself, I have come to this field to work as a lecturer in mechanical engineering, as well as my career is also has developed in this field. And coming to this mechanical engineering field, I can say that it is the godfather of engineering and evergreen branch of engineering that has contributed to several innovations over time. There is a bit of mechanical in every engineering domain. It is an engineering branch that combines engineering physics and mathematics principles with material science, design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintain mechanical systems. It is one of the oldest and the broadest of engineering branches material. There are several branches which comes under mechanical engineering. Okay, for example, myself itself, I'm not a mechanical engineering, I'm an automotive engineering. I come from a branch, okay, where it has given me everything. Okay, so automotive engineering, for example, it is used for design and development of vehicles. And same way, I think even one more branch, I can say that it is the aerospace engineering. Okay, and it is also used for design and development of aircrafts and spacecrafts. Then robotics engineering is also a branch. It is a newly invented branch where we use it for the construction of and operation of robots. Okay, similarly, I think we have got mechatronics. Again, it is a new branch. Okay, and it combines mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering applications. Okay, likewise, I think there are still more branches like we go with the fluid mechanics, manufacturing, biomedical, environmental, then industrial engineering, okay, nanotechnology, then machine design course. Like this, I think we have now got different branches of mechanical engineering. So, whichever is suitable for you people, you can choose such branches and go for studying the branch. Okay, mechanical engineering, I think you people can work in all the fields. That's the reason why we call it as the father of engineering branch. Okay, and it's not like something if you do some IT branches, you should go in that particular branch itself. But mechanical engineering, it's not like that. You can choose mechanical engineering and work in computer engineering by learning some softwares which are similar to which you people can use it in your mechanical branches. Okay, likewise, I think all the fields has got its own use. For example, if you go for our automotive industry itself, latest I think we have got electric vehicles, okay, which are coming into field, and you have seen the development what's going on in our automobile branch also. Okay, and you can see the modern vehicles which has come with the new technologies where it involves almost all mechanical, electronic, electronic engineering, and such cases are invented in all the branches. Okay, thank you, friends.